Hey everyone, this is Derek here and welcome to another product unboxing and initial impression video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a glass screen protector for the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 or Surface Pro 2017 from a company called Omoton, or Omoton perhaps. It was purchased on Amazon.com for around $16 with free shipping with Amazon Prime. And it was one of the highest rated screen protectors, glass screen protectors for the Surface Pro on that site. So I figured why not order it and see how it goes. So let's just take a look at the packaging real quick because it's pretty funny. And you can see here it is a premium tempered glass screen pro protector. And you can see here for the Surface Pro 4, this is definitely made in China. And there are some pretty interesting things. So 9H hardness, so stating that it's very hard. That would be the hardness of corundum, just below diamond. So we'll see if that's true or not. But it's scratch resistant, ultra clear, fingerprint resistant, and shatter proof. It is glass, so it definitely can break. Again, here it says high rigidity defense friction. It is explosion proof. It has a oleophobic function, scratch and wear resistant, high definition vision, and nanoplating coating processing. So just some funny translation issues there, but it comes packed like this. This just came in an envelope, and it looks like it ships pretty, so because this is tempered glass, it definitely can break if it bends. So it looks like they did a pretty good job in shipping. You can see here that there are two layers of like a cardboard almost, and then it looks like there's a layer of foam in the middle. So it says fragile, handle with care, and then it has a US address. So let's go ahead and cut this open and see what's inside. Alright, so now that we got that protective plastic off, we can take a look again at the product, and then we'll go ahead and open it up. See right here. There we go. So, like I said, it is well packed. It looks like there's a stiff cardboard material and then separated by foam, which will give it added rigidity. And it looks like we've got some auxiliary tools here for installation. And we have the actual screen protector here. So again, no crack control, good touch, waterproof, ultra HD, no anti-scratch. Okay, so let's open this up and we'll take a look first at what is included here. Alright, so now I got that pouch open and I spread out the contents so you can see what's included. So the first thing here is a instruction manual, so an installation manual for how to actually install the protector. And it's pretty small. Let's see if we can get it to focus so you can freeze frame if you want to read that. Then we have a microfiber cloth to clean the screen prior to installing the screen protector. Remember, anything that is on the screen when you install it is going to end up under it and potentially is going to degrade the clarity of the screen. Next, we have a little card just to find them on Amazon, hoping that we'll review them, after using the product. You have two cleaning wipes, a wet and a dry one. You have a little plastic, I believe this is plastic, yeah. So you have a little plastic piece here, looks like an old SIM card almost, but it's used to squeeze out bubbles. And then you have a dust absorber, so this is basically a sticker that will pop any, I usually just use like compressed air to blow the dust off prior to installation, but you can use that, and just think of it as a giant sticker or piece of tape kind of, and you can pull dust or other material off of the screen before installing the screen protector with that. And then you have some guide stickers, and that's just to help you position the glass, because with tempered glass protectors, one of the big differences is once it's installed, it's installed. It's very difficult to pull them off without breaking them, just because when you pull them off, they bend, and when glass bends, it breaks, or shatters, it tends to at least. So let's take a look now at the actual protector itself. So I'll go ahead and we'll just pull these things off screen, or put them over here at least. And we'll take a look at the screen protector. So screen protector is in here. So here is the screen protector itself. And I want to be careful just because I don't want to get too many fingerprints on this. I will pop it off like that. You can see here that it has, so that's actually the wrong way. So we'll go ahead here, and this is right side up now. So you can see here it has a cutout at the top for the camera as well as the Windows Hello. And it also has some speaker vents here cut out. And other than that, it is rounded corners, flat bottom, and it covers the screen. So again, with a tempered glass protector, you want to be very careful when you install it, when you position it, because you only really get one chance at doing it right. But other than that, the glass screen protectors usually do a great job of preserving image quality because it's a lot thinner than a plastic protector, and glass is just much more optically transparent. So those are my initial impressions on the glass screen protector for the Surface Pro 4 or Surface Pro 2017. Those devices have near identical specifications as far as size, so what fits one will fit the other. And the biggest difference between the Surface Pro 3 and the Surface Pro 4 was the addition of that added camera hardware for Windows Hello. So I'm going to be installing this on a Surface Pro 2017. I'll give you my impressions after it's on there and after I've used it for a few days, so definitely be on the lookout for that video. And if you like this sort of content, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to make any comments. And I hope to see you in a future video soon. So thanks for watching.